Most storm response software takes weeks to set up. Demos, callbacks, paperwork. By then, the storm season has moved on without you. StormShield on KYRO AI is built for self-serve onboarding, 3 steps, no waiting. The average time from account creation to first storm call is under 10 minutes. Step 1, add your company details. Name, address, primary contact, and your union or non-union classification. Takes 2 to 3 minutes. Step 2, build your team. Upload your own crew or a lineman master call list, or invite contractors directly. Bring everyone in at once, or add people as the work shows up. Step 3, create your first storm call. Assign a crew, set the location and utility details, and dispatch. Once a storm call is live, timesheets, invoicing, and updates all follow. Storm restoration depends on crews that can mobilize fast, often across state lines, often on short notice. A setup process that takes weeks doesn't match that reality. Walk through 3 steps on StormShield and start dispatching the same day. So when the next storm comes, your crew is ready to move. Start now at just $500 per month. No commitment, no implementation fee, unlimited users. Cancel anytime.